Hello guys, it's me again, it's Larry. So in this video, I want to share with you another project that I have with an Upwork client. So my Upwork client have an order sheet, which is this one. Let's open that. It's the order sheet. This spreadsheet contains the order data of his customers. For the sake of this video, I have removed the customer name, the vendor name, and the product name. Okay, so because the most important data here is the column B, the order, column G, the barcode, column L, quantity, and the order status. So this client want to update this order status. So he just want to automate the process. So his job description is, I have one worksheet that shows the stock I have in its location. So this is it. This is the barcodes. Okay, this is the barcode, and this is the table location. So a product with a barcode of this one is located at table 1. Okay, and another sheet that shows customer orders with the stock that is required to complete their order. So this is the order sheet. So with this order number, this one order number of 10007. Okay, so there are 2 products with that, and one product for this barcode, another product with that barcode, and 1 unit for each product. Okay, so the common element between the 2 workbooks is the barcode. I want to be able to run a macro that will put an X beside the orders that can be completely filled. So this is the order. If this product is available, okay, with this order, if this product is available, he wants this order status to be marked X. Right. So let's proceed. And a P against the orders that can be partially fulfilled, and what items can be filled from stock on hand. So if the quantity for that order is 5 and the available stock is only 3, he wants to mark it as a P, and an M's and a M beside the orders that where there is no stock for all. So if there is no stock for that product, for that order, it will be marked M. So for this example, if this with this order number of 1007, if this barcode, if this product with this barcode is available, it will be marked X. If the next product in this order number, in this order, because this is only one order, if this next barcode is not available, instead of X for that first product, it will be marked P, because it's only this product that is filled, so it is partially filled. Okay, so this order is partially filled in that case. So if these 2 product is not available on the table stock in here, there's 2 rows, these 2 lines of order will be marked M. Okay, I hope that is clear. So the next, the other job requirements is that please add 4 sheets on the end, one for PXM. Okay, and that displays the missing P. Right. So, and another worksheet that contains the stock that is on table but is not required for the orders. So with this table stock, it will search this barcode. If this barcode is not in this order, so there's no customers that is ordering this barcode, it will be placed on another sheet. Okay, so let's see the macro. How does it look like? This is the macro. Okay, so I have several buttons in here. Select the table stock sheet, select order sheet, process, and the clear. I made this 2 as a separate options because table stock might reside in one workbook, and the order sheet might reside on another workbook. So because that could be the case. So, but in this case, The order sheet and the table stock is located in one workbook. Okay. So this clear button will clear this input sheet. So let's clear that. Okay, so it's clear. So by the way, before running this, before selecting the sheets, the input sheets, the stock table stock workbook and the orders workbook must be opened. Okay, because if it's not open, there will be no options in the drop down. So let's try that. Let's close this one. The other workbook was closed. So if you click on there, drop down will appear and the stock sheets must be in here. But there's none. It's because the workbooks, input workbooks, is not is closed. So let's open that. And by the way, there's a reason why I did that. Okay. Okay, let's select the stock table sheet. So this is the stock table. Select the order and click OK. Okay, verify that it is the right sheet. If it's not, if it's happened that you selected the wrong sheet in here, for example, the table stock instead of the orders sheet, and click process, there will be a message that the order sheet may have the wrong formats. Please select the correct order sheet that follows the allowed format, because there is a predefined format of the order sheet and a predefined format of the stock sheet. So it checks the format. If the format is not the same as the predefined format, it assumes that the input sheet is the wrong sheet. So let's select the right sheet. So the orders, okay, and let's click the process. Once we click the process, all of those job requirements will be processed automatically. Yeah. Okay, so the macro is running and it's done. Okay, so let's look as okay. So this is the input sheet. It edits the input sheet. It adds the needed sheets. Okay, so let's see the order. So this is the order. There are about 1,560 rows, and it processed that under 1 minute. Okay, so let's look at this first order number. Color that. Okay, so let's take this barcode and search the table stock. Okay, so this barcode is not available on the table stock, so there is no stock for that product, right? So that order must be marked M. Okay, that is M, right? So let's look at other examples that I can show you how it works. Okay, let's look at this order number. Okay, let's look at this order number 7278. Let's take a look at this barcode and search the stock if it's available. Okay, so the stock is not available. So it is marked, it should be marked M. Okay, so that would be M. Take note of that. Let's move at the other product. It's a barcode and search here. Right. So this barcode is available at table 10, and there are 1 unit for that product. How do I know that there's 1 unit? Because this barcode appears only once on this table. Okay, I'll show you some examples. So I'll show you an example of how to count the unit. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so this barcode was repeated 3 times in this row. So that means there are 3 units of this product. Okay, so we know that there are 3 units available for that product. Know that there are 2 units available for this product. Okay, let's go back to this barcode. Okay, let's search that. Okay, so there is 1 unit for that, and it's available in the stock. And here the order is also 1 unit, so it is completely filled. So it is should be X. Okay. And let's move to this one. Okay, so this barcode is available at table 10, and there's 1 unit available. Okay, let's see that. So there's 1 unit available. So this 2 must be X, right? However, in this order number as a whole, 1 unit of product, one product is not available. So it is so this order is partially fulfilled. That's why this 3 products under this one order is marked P, right? So by the way, the macro added a table column in there to this to check the reference. Okay, that is to show where's the location of this product. So these 2 products available at table 10. If the product is not available, of course there is no this is blank because it's not found in here. Okay, so I think that explains this thing. Okay, okay, okay. For this product, for this order, I should say, it is all marked X because all of this is available at the table stock. Let's have a look at this order number. Okay, order number. So let's take a look at this barcode, and let's search the barcode if it's available. So it's not available. So the macro should mark it as P, the initial tag. However, this barcode is not that, so it should be M as well. Initially, that should be the tag. Let's have a look at this order number. Sorry, the barcode. So this barcode has only one product available, right? There's only 1 unit of that product they stock. However, in the order, there are 14 units orders. I'm sorry. Yeah, we have 1 unit. So it is filled, so it should be X. However, analyzing the other products in that order that is not available, so this order is marked P, which means it is partially fulfilled. The order is partially fulfilled, and this product with that barcode is available at table 20. So that's it. So the other requirements is that please add 4 sheets on the end for the P, X, and M, that is, and the one that displays missing P. So it takes this sheet and gets and copies. By the way, if the row is an M, copies that to this sheet, and it moves to the next row. If the next row is an M, they'll copy that and put at the next row of this sheet. So until found a P. If the row is P, it copies that row and put it at P. So it is separating the data order. So the same data is available in this, but it was just segregated according to order status. And also the missing P. We have a P in here, and we have another missing P. This missing P are the orders that is not available at the table stock. Okay, but that is not available in the stock, and yeah, the missing P is not available in the stock. It is not at the stock table at all. However, if you analyze this P, some orders, this one has a table number, meaning this barcode product is found at the table stock. However, when all the older orders were filled, there were no more stocks available for this product. So for example, for this order number 7278, okay, yeah, yeah, I'm sorry. Let me reword that. For example, we have an order 70 to 77, and all of these products were taken by that order, and there were no more available stock for this. Based on the quantity, this will be marked M, which is there's no more product for that. However, the table is available like that. But for this, it is order status of P because some of the orders were partially fulfilled for this order number. I think I believe you got that. Okay, so the stocks required. These are the stocks, the stable stocks was from this table. However, these barcodes are not on this order, so there is no customer that is ordering these products. So this is how this macro works, and if you have similar project like this, please let me know, and let's work on that. Thank you.